The Congress has slammed P. Chidambaram for its statement on Operation Blue Star. Important information coming in as Congress leader Rashid Alvi has said that whether Blue Star was right or wrong is a different matter. But after so many years, why is Chidambaram commenting on it? Important to understand that the Congress has in fact slammed Congress MP P. Chidambaram over his comments on Operation Blue Star. Remember that P. Chidambaram was in fact speaking at the Khushwant Singh Literature Festival in Kasauli, where he spoke about Operation Blue Star and said that Indira Gandhi's in fact decision of Operation Blue Star was wrong. He further said that the former Prime Minister paid with her life for Operation Blue Star. Important to understand that now the Congress has slammed its own leader P. Chidambaram for his comments on Operation Blue Star, with comments coming in from Rashid Alvi, a Congress leader who said that whether the operation was right or wrong is a different matter. But after so many years, he's questioned why P. Chidambaram is speaking against his own party. Important to understand that Rashid Alvi has in fact compared P. Chidambaram to BJP, which of course is the opposition of the Congress. Important to understand that the Congress has in fact condemned its own leader's statement. It's condemned P. Chidambaram's statement on Operation Blue Star, in which he says that Operation Blue Star was wrong and that Indira Gandhi paid the price of it.
ब्लू स्टार ऑपरेशन सही था या गलत था एक अलहदा चीज़ है, लेकिन आज 50 साल के बाद चिदम्बरम साहब की क्या मजबूरी है कि वो एक एक करके कांग्रेस के ऊपर हमले कर रहे हैं, इंदिरा गांधी पे हमला कर रहे हैं कि इंदिरा गांधी ने गलत कदम उठाया है। ये तो वही काम कर रहे हैं जो भारतीय जनता पार्टी और प्रधानमंत्री करते। चिदम्बरम साहब के एक बार फिर कांग्रेस पे हमला करने से बहुत सारे शक और शुबहात पैदा हो रहे हैं। उनके खिलाफ क्रिमिनल केसेस गालिबन पेंडिंग है अभी तक। मुझे लगता है कोई दबाव तो नहीं है उनके ऊपर। मैं नहीं समझ सकता कि चिदम्बरम साहब बजाय इसके कि पिछले 11 सालों में भारतीय जनता पार्टी की क्या कमियां रही हैं, बीजेपी पूरे देश को किस तरह बर्बाद कर रही है, ये बताने की बजाय वो कांग्रेस की कमियां निकाल रहे हैं, ये उचित नहीं है।
Well, on this, my colleague Tanishka joins us on the broadcast now. Tanishka, cracks within the Congress seem to be emerging because the Congress itself has slammed its own leader, of course, Congress MP P. Chidambaram, on his comments on Operation Blue Star. What is the latest that you're tracking in this story?
Precisely, this is a controversy that has just broken out after former Union Minister and Finance Minister P. Chidambaram at the Khushwant Singh Literary Festival on Saturday made comments and remarks about the Operation Blue Star. He said that it was a wrong way to retrieve the Golden Temple and that this was perhaps the biggest mistake on part of the Congress and the Indira Gandhi-led government at the time. Remember, Operation Blue Star in 1984 has, still a matter of huge discuss and deliberation, and P. Chidambaram brings this issue up at a literary festival. He goes on to say that this was perhaps the biggest mistake and of Mrs. Gandhi's life and that she's paid with it for her life. We do know following which Indira Gandhi was assassinated as well, and currently as of now this remark on part of P. Chidambaram has broken out a lot of course, war of words from within the Congress itself. Congress party has also slammed these comments of P. Chidambaram. We know Rashid Alvi, Congress leader, has come out and said that, he's raised questions such as what is the point of bringing this up at this moment when there are bigger and larger issues to discuss about, such as the BJP governance and how the BJP is, going about its administration in the entire country. These are the questions that Rashid Alvi raises and asks that what is, it's not a matter of deliberation at this point in time whether to discuss Operation Blue Star was right or wrong. That is a different matter. He says that after so many years of Blue Star happening, what is the point of bringing it up at this moment when there are bigger issues that need to be brought about? And he says that Chidambaram's statement is unfortunate. There's anyway a criminal case pending against Chidambaram. And what sort of pressure is there on Mr. Chidambaram to come about with these sort of statements at this moment?
Right, Tanishka, thank you so much for joining us and sharing those details with us.